What do we got here?
We got a bike check, motherfucker. Kink badger bars.
They mean Colt?
Scratched up. Nope. Kink sticker.
Colt sticker.
Nope. Kink.
That says
K-I-N-K.
Colt.
Got scratches on my bars from doing those manuals.
Yeah, pussy ass.
Terrible. ODI long neck grips, even though not even long. We got ODI Barons, ODs, no other way to go. Profile acoustic stem.
With them rusted bolts in that bitch. Look at them rusted bolts.
Fucking crap. Odyssey headset. Shout out to Charlie Quigley for recommending this piece of shit. Front wheel. Oh wait. Kink Empire Force. Kink Piss. Shout out to Danny Duffy for giving me these bad bitches. We got Profile Primo Smokes Alienation Deviant with a Fit FAF 2.25. Shout out to the little one Peg. Moving on to the middle, we got a Demolition Sprocket. Shout out to the bike shop to give me that shit for free. Profile Cranks. No other way to go. Odyssey Twisted PCs. Yo, there's
Zach
no
says
other
that
way to go.
Zach said that like every other fucking part.
Cause Zach is the fucking man. Odyssey Twisted PCs. Shadow Interlock Chain. Musty as fuck. Cause I leave it out in the rain. Animal bottom brackets. Right here. Shadow seat and seat post combo. Cause I was running low on money, so I'll get that piece of shit. To the back, dirty Profile hub left-hand drive with.
Hear them fucking.
Yo, I don't know. You guys always say you like the sound of my hub, so this is the sound. Dialed. You got Primo spokes, Odyssey Hazard with a Fit FAF 2.10, Profile Aegis shit, hub guard.
Oh, you forgot that shit too.
Yeah, I know. Good thing we're doing it a second time. And a shout out little one Peg. And for the frame, Cult OS V3 in raw. Shout out to Zach Higgins for requesting this shit, and it's the fucking awesomest frame ever. Repping Group Home Bikes, motherfucker. Get this. What a 3 off. Probably eat shit though.
Big things popping. First try Thursdays, bruh! Yo, pound that shit.